Your entire digestive system, from your stomach to your intestines, is basically a long, muscular tube. It's constantly squeezing and contracting to push food, liquid, and gas through. Think of it like a wave machine. When your stomach is full, the food muffles these sounds. But when it's empty, there's nothing to absorb the noise. So you hear all that squeezing and sloshing of air and digestive fluids loud and clear. And here's why it gets even louder when you're hungry. Your brain sends a signal to your stomach to ramp up those contractions, basically doing a clean sweep to prepare for the next meal, so it's not a sign of a problem. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.